क्या न्यूट्रिएंट्स डालना होता है, कैसा टाइप का पानी डालना होता है, क्या उसका टाइमलाइन होता है, कितने डेज में वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट ग्रोथ फॉर एनी वन
Right.
स्पीशीज ऑफ फूड.
Let's take an example of a plant that is growing in soil in a traditional way and
Right.
in hydroponic, right?
Right.
So in soil, there is basic nutrients that the plant requires.
Right.
That's your nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and then there's a lot of micronutrients.
Okay.
In the you call it NPK, and plus the micronutrients is a separate segment of it. That's basically a little lesser
Quantity.
nutrients that the plant requires. So each plant has its own specific requirement when it comes to the light that it requires and the nutrients that it requires. And soil gives it to it, and the sun gives it the light, right? And that's where hydroponic plays its part, is that it eliminates the soil. We use RO water, which is drinkable water. We add these nutrients in the water at the same consistent level the plant requires. Okay, so like the plant's root is just hanging on top of the water, and it is whatever the nutrient that is required for the plants, it just sucks it through the water. So
Okay.
basically, like the timeline when we talk about it, when we are speaking of traditional agriculture, weather plays an important part, right? Like if it's too hot or it gets rainy, like the produce that you're working on can get flushed off. But when it comes to hydroponic, all these limitations are not bounding you. You have more controlled temperature, you have more controlled environment, so your plant actually grows healthier, more nutritious, and faster as well.
Right.
So when we talk about a timeline, what in a traditional soil it would take like 60 days. Over here it takes approximately like 40 days. So that's the difference as well.